Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abibird. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful angel's wing for my daughter during their choreography. I started off by first of all drafting out a pattern. So I took an A4 paper and just cut out this shape, like a bean shape or like a kidney shape. I don't know what to call it, right? So after cutting it out, I put it on a hard stay like the one you use for peplon, okay, a very hard one. Then I put a pattern over it and trace it out, then cut it out. Ensure you have something like this. Can you see this? After that, you iron it over the fabric. I ironed it on the white fabric. Then you leave a little allowance, like 1 inch, okay? Then I cut out a second pattern as well that I will use to cover it up. Remember, this thing is kind of flexible, so I need it to be hard. So I got a wire and I just cut out two curved shape at this upper part, like you can see. Then I cut out a V shape to add at the down part so that it can make it strong. So after that, I decided to stitch it. I went ahead to start stitching, but while stitching I discovered that it wasn't really working for me. So I decided to use my silicone glue. So this was just what gave it a perfect shape. Mind you guys, there was something I did that I did not video or record, okay? It was still kind of flexible because I didn't add the wire at the middle. So I cut a straight wire that connected this curved part to the down part, straight one. So that made it just firm. After that, I took it to the sewing machine and started folding. Remember, you can see that I notched it right so that it can fold for me. I notched every part of it and just stitched the lining over it. Thereafter, I cut out this little piece of pattern. I used my hard stitch to cut it out, then cut out the fabric in bits, and I started stitching it over it. Ensure you don't stitch where you have your wire so it doesn't break your needle. So I needed my work to be a little bit faster. So what I did was I will put 2 down and 2 up. So that's what I was doing, 2 down, 2 up to make it full on time. So that was how I continued sewing it till I went round. I wanted to fill every part of it, but I don't have enough fabric. So I left it just like this. It was looking so beautiful. And I added my elastic. I added 2 in case it is too slack for the first one. Then the other one was tight and one was not so tight. Okay, so while that was on, I still discovered that it wasn't as firm as I wanted. So I cut this carton and just added some glue and put it over there, stick it right there. I needed it to really be hard. Even though I have added that wire inside, it wasn't strong enough. So you can see I just used my glue to cover it. So that will be in the inner part, so it will not really show. That's where I now decided to wear it on a pillow to show it, and it gave me the perfect shape. Look at my beautiful daughter putting it on. Is it not looking beautiful? This is how to make your angel's wing. If you love this video, please give it a very big thumbs up. Share this video so it can go viral and rate us out of 10, okay? Love you.